Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to delete incognito browser history on Android. So to do that, you have to head over to your Chrome browser and here go to the search bar and here write Chrome colon / net hyphen internals then slash hash tns and give it a go. Now you will land on the page and tap on the DNS option right here, and in here then click clear host cache in here, and yeah, just exit Chrome to finalize the process. Just turn it off, exit the Chrome, and yeah, now your incognito browser history is cleared. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.